We are currently at Otueke, former president of Nigeria, Goodluck Jonathan hometown. So we are stocking a farm over there, and we are washing the snails so that they will absorb water. As you can see, them are taking in water. We just brought in the snails, so we are going to use this to stock a small greenhouse that we set up for this our client. Snails are very much active when you give them water. They do very well when you put them in a natural environment. So this is a greenhouse. As you can see, it's a very small greenhouse, but the production will be high because we have planted a lot of crops inside. You can see cocoyam leaf, you can see sweet potato leaf, and also there are some other vegetables which we have planted that will grow in due time. So we are stocking the pen now. This is a semi greenhouse, a small greenhouse. We are stocking it now. So this is AMO, Achatina Marginata oven, that we are going to be using to stock this place. This is a small greenhouse. A small greenhouse setup. The breed we are using here is Achatina Marginata oven. This is the biggest species of snail. This is called African giant snail. This is the breeder point. So if you need snails from us, you can consult us and reach us on our number 080-633-45443. We are currently at Bayelsa State, Otueke to be precise. Former president of Nigeria hometown. That's where we are stocking this farm. They're in their natural environment, and you see how active they are. So we encourage people to invest on the greenhouse system in snail farming because they will produce more because of the natural place. You see cocoyam leaves everywhere, and you see how active the snails are. We just stock the snails and you see that they're already moving. That is the seeds tell you that they are healthy snails. So you can consult us to supply you good breed of Achatina Marginata oven to start up your farm. We are available for farm setup, can give you the necessary knowledge you need to be successful in snail farming.